Students, today consider basic things, formula of differential calculus. We know this, all of this we know from higher secondary second year class in CBSE SEBA both course. We know this formula, and sometimes some students forgot the formula. So without formula, then calculus is very difficult. In engineering, we know we should be strong in calculus. Without calculus, engineering is very difficult. So first we consider some formulae of differential calculus. So after this we shall discuss the formula of integral calculus. Now we consider differentiation formula. So we have some formula. Number 1, ddx of x to the power n, this equal to n, x to the power n minus 1. Number 2, ddx of x equal to 1. Number 3, ddx of 1 by x to the power n, this equal to minus n, x to the power n plus 1. Number 4, ddx of root x, this equal to 1 by 2 root x. Number 5, ddx of e to the power x, this equal to e to the power x. Number 6, ddx of a to the power x, this is a to the power x into log a base e. Number 7, ddx of sin x, this equal to cos x. Number 8, ddx of cos x equal to minus sin x. Number 9, ddx of tan x, this equal to sec square x. So these are the formula up to 9 we written. Number 10, ddx of cot x, this equal to minus cosec square x. Number 11, ddx of sec x equal to sec x into tan x. Number 12, ddx of cosec x equal to minus cosec x into cot x. Number 13, ddx of sin inverse x, this equal to 1 by root over 1 minus x square, and ddx of cos inverse x, this is minus 1 by root over 1 minus x square, root over 1 minus x square. Number 15, ddx of tan inverse x, this equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. Number 16, ddx of cot inverse x, this equal to minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Number 17, ddx of sec inverse x, this equal to 1 by x into root over x square minus 1. Number 18, ddx of cosec inverse x equal to minus 1 by x square root over x square minus 1. So we get these are the formula up to 18 written. Now 19 we get, in 19, ddx of c, this is 0, where c is a constant. C is a constant. Number 20, ddx of c into fx, c into fx, this is c ddx of fx we get. So 21, ddx of fx plus minus gx plus minus dot dot dot. If we have several functions, then ddx of fx plus minus ddx of gx plus minus dot dot dot. ddx of fx into gx, that means product rule. This is fx ddx of gx plus gx ddx of fx. So number 23, ddx of fx by gx, and this will be gx whole square, gx ddx of fx minus fx ddx of gx. Number 24, ddx of uvw, product of three functions. Then this is vw ddx of u, uw ddx of v. This is uv ddx of w. Number 25, in 25, ddx of log x equal to 1 by x. ddx of log x is 1 by x. So total number of formula is 25. So this 24 number formula uvw, first we differentiate u, next v, next w. This is no problem. Now main problem is this. In case of sine cos, in sine cos sometimes we will face some problem whether this is minus or this one minus. So you have to remember, if this is c, cos, cot, cosec. If this is c, answer is minus. Cos is minus. This is cot, we get minus. Cosec is minus. Cos inverse minus. Cot inverse minus. Cosec inverse minus. So you have to remember, if it is c, cos, cot, cosec, then first you write a minus. Whatever be the answer, you forget this answer. But first you have to write minus. So this is minus, cos is minus, here cot minus we get cosec minus, and this is cos inverse minus, cot inverse minus. But this, there are these 6 formula. If you have by heart this, then you can easily write this. That means buy one get one free. This one free. So sin inverse this formula, cos inverse same formula. Just it is minus. Tan inverse this formula, cot inverse also same formula. Thus this is minus because this cot is c. This is minus. Sec inverse and cosec inverse same. If it is c, then minus. So these are actually there are 6 formula. So if we by heart 3 formula and 3 formula ultimately we will get. That means in buy one get one free, just like this. And this is c. This is constant means 0. If we differentiate constant, then 0. And constant into function, constant outside ddx of function. And if we have several functions, we have to write ddx of all the function with all the function. And product rule, first function ddx second function ddx of first. And division is important, denominator whole square, and then write down denominator. ddx of numerator minus numerator ddx of denominator. These are the formula, and these are as usual formula. You have to by heart this formula, and this formula is very easy. Without knowledge of differentiation, you will face some problem in integration. So first you have to know differentiation formula. After this, we shall discuss integration formula. If you are strong in formula, then you can solve any problem. Some students will face some problem. Sir, I like calculus, but I don't know how to start this problem. So first you have to by heart the formula. If you are strong in formula, then you can easily any kinds of problem. We can solve any kinds of problem. No problem. You can easily solve this problem. And in engineering, first you have to know the formula. If you are strong in calculus, then you can solve any problem. And maximum semester we will get calculus. So next we shall discuss the formula of integration. Thanks.